Just push it in.
Can
yeah, push it in.
Fire?
Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm very excited. We've been wanting to do this video for a very long time, but just things have gotten in the way, you know. Finally, we have a free day. So if you guys didn't know, I'm sure everybody is so annoyed of me talking about my boyfriend all the time, but it's my boyfriend Cal's day off and he went to go to a birthday party today. So we decided while he's gone, I'm gonna make a 3-course meal and surprise him when he gets back. Hopefully we can do this in time because I don't know where he is right now. We'll have to track him and time this perfectly. So as you guys know, I do a lot of cooking videos over here on this channel and I feel like I make the same things over and over again. Like even I'm bored of them, so you must be so bored. So today we're gonna make 3 different things that I've never ever tried to make in my entire life. We're gonna make a shrimp cocktail from scratch, homemade pasta from scratch, and a creme brulee. I'm scared, but this is gonna be very fun. This is in no way telling you how to make these things also. We're just gonna go on this journey together. So yeah, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like it and I'll do more for you guys. Comment down below what I should make next for anybody in my life and let's get started.
Me.
And pray for me. You? You want
Me.
some? He wants some. Let him know below. Okay, so if you guys watch my channel, you know that I like a recipe. I like following a recipe, but like halfway through I get bored and then start doing my own thing. So I'm taking inspo from some recipes here, and then I'm just gonna add my twist to some things because we don't wanna be boring here. 1 lemon, horseradish, and then hot sauce. Okay, boom, let's go.
What motivated you to cook for your boyfriend today?
The dream of being wifed up one day. Let me just get out my garlic cloves. Yes, a 1, 2. We won't be kissing tonight. Okay guys, we're gonna make homemade cocktail sauce. I'm making this early so that it can like chill in the fridge for a little while, get all nice and flavorful, you know? So, I'm gonna do it all in this little bucket. What is this called? Measuring cup, not a bucket. So the base of a cocktail sauce is ketchup. I'm gonna put this in. We're gonna do a cup of this. Is that a cup?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so much ketchup. We don't need this much cocktail sauce. Oh well. I don't even know if there's a cup of ketchup in here. Oh my god, me wearing a white sweatshirt was quite possibly the worst idea I've had in a long time. Okay, I feel like that's sufficient. That's good enough, whatever. Now we're gonna put in a little bit of horseradish. This stuff is strong. Be very careful. It's gonna clear out the sinuses. It's gonna add a little punch. Oh my god.
Big mood.
I'm not good at measuring. I think it's the fact that I'm Korean. I don't measure anything. Being Asian means you just cook with whatever you're feeling. You know, I like it a little spicy. We'll do a little more. There we go. Horseradish in. Horseradish is made out of...
Horse is in their radish.
Yeah, you're right. So we've got that in there. Now I'm gonna do a little garlic just to add, actually a lot of garlic. I eat a lot of garlic. I literally had 5 cloves of garlic with my broccoli this morning for my breakfast. And then grind her down in here. Couple, go like this. Boom, done. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. We're doing 4 baby cloves, nothing too crazy. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of sriracha, you know, a little bit of this. Nothing beats the green cap. Then we're going to zest our lemon with my microplane, which I am so excited about. Is this a microplane? I hope so. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, slow
Zest
motion.
a whole lemon. Can't hurt the talent, you know? These gloves are uncuttable, so I won't hurt myself, which I am very accident prone. All around, it's gonna give some nice zesty brightness, a nice little zing, if you will. This is my Food Network audition. Me not measuring anything and making a mess. I'm gonna roll it just to get the juices flowing. Then we're gonna cut it in half and we're gonna squeeze out all the juice. Lemon and seafood go very well together, as we know. So this is key to your cocktail sauce.
Use your muscles.
The vibes are saucy. We're gonna add in pepper. Honestly, not bad. And then I think it's ready to go. We'll let it sit and then it'll marinate while I work on everything else, which is gonna take me a really long ass time. Covered her up and in the fridge. All right guys, we're moving on to pasta. I have always wanted to make homemade pasta. I've never tried it. Apparently it's very easy. I just cleaned my whole kitchen surface, disinfected it because we're gonna go work on this area. I'm nervous, but let's try this. Okay, I'm using all-purpose flour. I'm gonna do 2.5 cups and I'm just gonna put it directly onto my kitchen counter. Oh my god, this feels so wrong. 1 cup, 2. So then you're supposed to make a well in the center. I've never done this. I'm really scared I'm doing this wrong. I'm like Claire from Bon Appetit. And then you crack 4 room temperature eggs. This feels so wrong. Right into the center of the well. Oh no.
You're already halfway in.
4 eggs? That seems like a lot. There she is. Oh my God! Look at the shape it made! Cooking for my boyfriend. And you're supposed to just slowly start whisking in the flour. I'm probably doing this so wrong, Eli. You're supposed to like slowly incorporate the outside flour into your mixture.
Oh
no,
a barrier.
No. Oh no, get back in. Eli's peer pressuring me to use my hands now, so we're gonna try. Eventually I do have to get my hands into it, I just don't know at what point.
At this point.
At this point, have you made pasta before?
No, but it looks like it's just ready. So you would have still been there stirring.
Bakers are probably watching this wanting to kill me right now. I'm so sorry. All the Italians, I'm so sorry.
I'm Italian.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
She's been doing this for like 10 minutes.
There's like a kneading technique where they like fold and knead. And fold and knead.
I'm taking a break.
Okay, so the pasta is currently sitting over there. It has to sit at room temperature for 30 minutes. So in the meantime, we're gonna get working on the custard part of the creme brulee. I'm gonna start by taking a quart of heavy whipping cream, or this is a pint. Add it to my saucepan. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of this Trader Joe's vanilla bean paste, which I got for a few bucks. It's my favorite thing ever. I add it to everything. And I'm just gonna add a little dollop of this in there. The recipe called for like a full vanilla bean pod, but I don't have one, and this is just as good. So I'm gonna move this to the stove, put it on medium, let it boil for 15 minutes, and then remove it, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, Google, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Thanks, girl.
Starting now.
Okay, I just realized I messed up. You're supposed to put it on medium high, bring it to a boil, and then take it off and let it sit for 15 minutes. Sorry. All right, cream is cooling. Now I'm gonna take a half a cup of sugar. Okay, half a cup of sugar, and then 6 egg yolks, which I actually popped one, but pour that in. And then we're gonna whisk this together until it gets light in color, which I don't know what that's gonna look like, but let's see. Ooh.
Is it a magic trick where it just turns white?
It turns pink. I feel like that's good enough.
Does it for 10 seconds. What's next?
All right, so now after this cools, I'm gonna pour it in, stirring continually, just a little bit at a time. Then we're gonna pour it into some ramekins, which I bought this little contraption on Amazon because I'm too lazy to do it the other way. So I pour the mixture into these little ramekins, which I've already cleaned, and then I'm gonna put hot water up until it reaches halfway up this ramekin, and then you bake it at 325 degrees for approximately 40 to 45 minutes until it's still trembling in the center. Ah! I think you go boo, and it goes ah, and then it's done. This is gonna be great. Let's cue the montage. Creme brulees are in the oven. Now I'm gonna flour my clean surface yet again, and then I'll have to clean it again. And now we're gonna roll it out. Wait, I killed this. I also didn't read the instructions. I don't know if this is what I'm supposed to do, but I feel like this is what my heart told me to do, you know? And then I got like a pasta maker, and I think that's what makes it really thin. I think this goes here. I was gonna walk in and be like, what the fuck?
You have flour on your head.
Oh. A flour child. I chop off a little piece of this. Is this rolling? Oh, it's rolling! Oh my God! Oh, she's thick. She's thick.
Whoa.
Oh my God, my neighbors probably hate me.
Are you making spaghetti?
I think this is spaghetti, yeah. Okay, wait, so we have spaghetti. Holy, okay, let me try this one. Wait, this is so exciting. Fettuccine! Oh my God! And then I'll have to cut them because they're long. Oh my God, okay, I'm gonna keep doing this. All right, guys, it's time to assemble our shrimp cocktails. I went and boiled some raw shrimp for about 5 to 7 minutes, and it's cooling over there in some ice water. Now we're going to put our shrimp cocktails in these martini glasses because it's classy. So everything's gonna go in there. I have a lemon and I have a cucumber that I'm gonna chop up the middle. Beautiful. Little thin slivers. You know, like a little snack to have with your, oh wait, we should cut the seeds out. That's classy. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, that was good, that was good. Also, why did I lose my voice in the past like 5 minutes? Oh my God! Oh my God! Boom, done. Good to go. Okay, cucumbers are good. Then we're gonna slice little small lemon wedges that we're gonna put into the little glass. Okay, now we've got that all chopped, and now I'm gonna pull out my shrimps. All right, guys, here I have the shrimp that I cooked, and now we're gonna peel them. I'm gonna peel all the way around. I feel like I'm at Korean barbecue, but I'm gonna leave the tail on because that means class, you know? You know what I mean? Why is my voice gone?
You just get too excited about food.
It's beautiful. All right, time to assemble. I have my green leaf lettuce here that I washed. Also, Eli just tried my cocktail sauce. What did you think?
I'm not joking, it was probably the best cocktail sauce I've ever had in my life. So if you have any extra.
Oh, he can take this whole thing home. Okay, we're doing the leaves on the inside. Now we're gonna take our sauce, pour it in, sauce in, then we're going to add our shrimps. Then we add in our lemons.
Wow.
Does it look good?
It looks so professional.
Yes! Is that good?
Wow.
I can't see. Oh my God, wow. So good. Wait, I wanna try one of these shrimps.
I know, I told you.
The best cocktail sauce I've ever had for sure.
I told you.
All right, I'm gonna put these in the fridge, let them chill, and then let's move on to finishing up the pasta. All right, guys, so as you can tell, I put on a cute little dress, did my hair, got a little dressed up because Cal's gonna be here soon. We're gonna finish the pasta. For pasta, I'm making one of my favorites, which is cacio e pepe. That literally translates into cheese and pepper. So good. And I'm about to throw the fresh noodles into the boiling water. Let's go. She's not quite boiling yet. Just need a couple more minutes. All right, pasta's gonna go into the boiling water. We're gonna cook it for 3 minutes, I believe. Giving it a stir. It looks pretty good. I'm nervous. So I coated the bottom of the pan with some olive oil, and then once it gets hot, I'm gonna put a ton of black pepper in, freshly ground black pepper, and we're gonna let that cook for like a couple minutes and then throw the pasta back in. Lots and lots of pepper. Ah, she's popping! Woo! Give it a stir. Then we're gonna add in a cup of Parmesan cheese. This is freshly grated, and a cup of Pecorino Romano. Again, eyeballing it. And then give it a good mix. The cheese and the oil are gonna blend into a nice creamy sauce. Lots and lots more pepper. I can't let him see.
Look away.
Don't look.
Cover your eyes.
Baby, go put on a cute shirt.
I don't have a cute shirt here.
Okay, then just wear that. This is my plating technique I've seen. You put it down, and then you twist it, and then you release it.
Wow. Don't look over here, Cal.
A little bit of this action.
Wow.
Shake.
Organic.
Wow, fresh from the...
Wait, why is this good?
Wow.
Last little garnish. You.
Yes, you too.
Oh.
You get lip gloss on?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
I've been filming.
Oh, perfect. Are you ready? Close your eyes. Les soirs non già
Whoa. Okay.
I made it from scratch.
It's from scratch.
From scratch. Wait, let me get the other one.
So this is your appetizer?
This is the appetizer.
Yeah, he already saw.
The entree. Homemade pasta from scratch. Why are you laughing?
Because I was like, it's pasta.
No. For dessert, we gotta finish up the dessert. Look, homemade creme brulee.
Wow.
But we have to do the fun part now, which is torching it. So,
Torture up.
everybody gets one. Yay! Yeah. I'm gonna sprinkle the top with some sugar. Actually, the sugar is the best part too. Everyone knows that. Okay, we put sugar on top of them. Eli, bring on the fire!
Just push it in.
Can
Yeah, push it in.
Fire?
Yeah.
I'm a chef. Oh my god, the fire alarm's gonna go off.
Yeah.
Go, go, go. Hopefully it's good. If it's not good, Eli made it.
What?
Instead of wine, we're having Bud Light Seltzer. We didn't cheers.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
We all ate them earlier.
My girlfriend's a chef, check.
Live like golden.
Live a golden.
All right, rate that 1 out of 10.
That was a 10 out of 10 shrimp cocktail.
It was really good.
Yeah.
Okay, bite of pasta. Homemade pasta with, it's cacio e pepe. What if he throws up? It's good, right? Last but not least, we're gonna eat this later, but we're gonna do a bite right now. That's some good creme brulee.
Wow.
Okay, oh my god, I hope it's good, I'm nervous. Cheers.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3. I nailed this whole day.
Wow.
That is so good.
That is really good. 11 out of 10.
Correct answer.
And
I feel like I don't deserve this. This is so nice.
Of course you do.
Thank you, Mom. Oh my god.
It's good, right?
What? How do you do that?
How you do that?
Oh my god, this shrimp cocktail is so good.
I've never had this in my life. What is this again?
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee. Brulee.
Mm-hmm.
Smell it.
I'll bite you down. Mmm. It's like pudding.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!